Hi there, welcome back to Thompson Leisure TV. Today we've got the Dreamer living van finished in R10 grey. We'll take a run around the outside of the van and then make our way inside. So this van is on a Fiat chassis. It is 9-speed automatic, so it's 2024 model. We've got full LED headlights, alloy wheels, electric welcome step, these lovely Dreamer graphics, your water infill here with your cassette toilet below that. Making our way around then towards the back of the van. Reverse camera built in up here. Space for a gas bottle. An outside shower point, and then some more storage here and under here as well. So tables and chairs, can go under there. So onto the passenger side of the van then, you've got your electric hookup lead and your exhaust for your Truma heating system. In this van, it is a diesel heating system, so really good for going off grid. So one more kind of exterior feature to point out here is you have a rail here for the table. So I'll just show you that made up here now. Sit here and have a wee beer. Wee glass of wine, whatever takes your fancy. Okay, so onto the lounge then of this living van. You've got 4 belted seats, your fixed table there. These seats are also ISOFIX in the back, so good for a small family. Okay, so onto the kitchen then. We have this table extension and a little bit of storage down here. Standard sort of setup. You've got this good big sink, your tap swivels in and out with your 2 gas hob here. That also covers up then whenever you're not using it as well. Under here we have 3-pin socket, 12-volt sort of cigarette lighter socket, your 3 then big drawers here as well. So loads and loads of storage then for pots and pans. Okay, so not to forget the control panels then. And whenever you come through the habitation door, you're met with these. It's fully digital panel touchscreen. Shows that's for your power supply, your water pump, your outside awning light, interior lights, temperature in the inside of the van, your battery level and your water level. Onto the Truma then panel, you have a Truma diesel heating system. So you'll see there it says fuel, that means it's a diesel heater, or electric, and then a mix of both as well. Okay, so with the fridge then, we have this Thetford compressor fridge. It's actually fairly generous. You've a good bit of room there and your wee freezer box then on top. Okay, so this shower and toilet arrangement is actually a patented design from Dreamer. Often the shower's dead space whenever you're out camping and stuff like that, but Dreamer have come up with this clever idea. So whenever you're not using the shower, you've got this storage cupboard and that's accessible from both sides. I'll explain how that works in a little minute here. So yeah, whenever you're going to access the shower, this swings around fully. There's your other access then to the drawer, and then this bottom side obviously all opens up then as well. And then I'll show how the shower works in a wee second too. Okay, so knowing the back of the van makes a double bed, you now have this double bed as well over the top of the front lounge. It just pulls down really easily. I'll get out of the way so you can see it. And then just pushes back up really easily as well. Okay, so on with the toilet side of things, this little door that breaks there and then slots into this area. So this becomes like a full changing area right across the back. And you can imagine then the shower door and stuff open as well. Okay, so one of the main selling points of the Dreamer living van is this massive rear lounge. Up here you've got loads of storage overhead and under the seats as well. And this also makes up a double bed as well. Alright, so there you have it guys, the Dreamer living van. This van is readily available, full specs on our website. We've got one in R10 grey, this one, and we've got one finished in Lanzarote grey as well. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch the video. If there's any wee suggestions you have for us, stuff you want to see in the videos, be sure to drop us a comment and we'll try and get those in for you. If you've any questions, please feel free to email me. It's robin@thompsonleisure.com, or you can give me a call 07849 911 573. Thanks very much.